and into the depths of nature I go, to lose myself and find my soul. Just 2 hours away from Mumbai and another world. Nature beckons you to reconnect with yourself, revitalize your body and mind, and be transformed. Welcome to Fazlani Nature's Nest, or one might call it Nature's Wellnest. A wellness prescription from nature awaits you. In the midst of nature, a cluster of villas, charming rooms with a thoughtful attention to detail. 68 acres of land with the mountains attached, and miles of flowing rivers. There are new worlds to explore, new ways to discover yourself. So much to do, or happily not do. Within the serenity of the Wellness Center, a sanctuary of healing therapies that date back centuries. A team of professionals dedicated to your individual needs. Unwind, luxuriate in the surroundings, and savor the ambiance. The tranquil setting is as healing and revitalizing as the treatments themselves. Celebrate the senses. Get in touch with the inner you. Within the gardens of heady herbs and aromas, the village. A holistic approach that leaves you feeling totally renewed and refreshed. The best of Ayurvedic and naturopathy therapies for the ultimate spa experience. The resort offers a novel farm-to-table experience. Guests enjoy the finest ingredients harvested from the kitchen garden. A tempting array of dishes to suit every palate. Menus designed by well-known dietitians. Long days melt into memorable nights under the stars. Perfect for wellness seekers. Ideal for families. Great for corporate getaways. The resort is tuned in to each person's interests. Nature works its magic, filling every day with unforgettable moments. Fazlani Nature's Nest. Resort to nature and be transformed.